So, hello viewers, very warm welcome back to Reflex. Moving on to the next question in this series of GATE 225 Electrical Engineering Solutions for the general episode. Here we will be discussing the solution to question number 7 in the master question paper of GATE 2025 Electrical Engineering from subject general aptitude of 2 marks MCQ type based on some logical reasoning. So the question goes as follows. In the given figure, EF and HJ are coded as 30 and 80 respectively. Which one among the following options is most appropriate for the entries marked 1 and 2? So there is circle given, there are different characters and numbers given, and 1 and 2 are marked. What will be the most appropriate among the options for the entries marked 1 and 2 is asked. Options are given as EH 40, JK 36, EG 42 and PS 14. Let's move on to solution to this question. Pretty simple actually. What we can see here, we have to consider the numbers, the letters as the codes. The codes of the letters will be the starting from A equal to 1, B equal to 2 like that in alphabetical order. So the code of FG, from here we can infer that A equal to 1, B equal to 2, like that. So code of E will be what? 5. A B C D E. F will be what? 6. I am considering writing only this because these are only given over here. G will be what? 7. H will be what? 8. And J will be what? 10. A B C D E F G H I J. So opposite of HJ is how much written? 80. 80 we can see. 80 is what? The product of 8 and 10. H into J means 8 into 10. So HJ means here 8 into 10, that is 80. Which is written opposite to HJ. Similarly EF. EF is what? 5 into 6, that is 30. And the product is written opposite to EF in this figure. So similarly 35 is the product of 5 and 7. 5 means what? E, and 7 means what? EFG, G to EG. So opposite to this should be EG. This 5 into 7. So EG. And opposite to FG should be what? FG means 6 and G means 7. 6 into 7, 42. So opposite to 42. Opposite to FG, they should be 42. So here we should have 42, right? Here there should be 42. Opposite to FG, that is number 2. So number 1 we will have EG because E is 5 and G is 7. So 5 into 7 is 35. So opposite 35 we will have EG and opposite to FG we will have 42. So 1 is EG and 2 is 42. So the correct answer or the option for this question is option C, as you will see. Basically we have done coding for the alphabets in sequence in alphabetical order starting from A equal to 1, B equal to 2 like that. We have counted the codes of the different alphabets. Here in the diagram we found that the codes written opposite to the sequence of letters is the product. So accordingly we have filled in the missing entries as found missing as EG and 42. So I hope the solution to this question is clear. If you still have any doubts or queries, I will be glad if you are ask in the comment section. And I think this is all for the question. The solution to this question based on from reasoning. Pretty simple question. So hope it is clear and comprehensible. Thank you.